If you're looking to put an electrical box into a wall that does not have a stud on it, I'll show you a couple methods. You can get boxes with these little plastic tabs like this, and they work okay. Some of these boxes have a tab over here and over here, so when you pull the plug in and out, it just flexes. Here's a method that works really good. If you attach the box to a piece of wood with a hole through it, you can place it in. You can glue the box in so it's nice and secure, and then drywall screw it really securely. I'll make one of these. Trace the outline of the box. When you cut it, you want to make it as tight as possible to the box. Cut it out with a jigsaw. You want to cut the hole a little small at first. These boxes taper a little bit. We'll clean everything up with a rag. Take off the material until it just fits. You can see it's starting to fit in there real nice and tight. You want it tight, but you want it to stick out about a ½ inch for the drywall. If you do make it a little bit too loose, you can add shims in there. We can slide the wooden plate into place, position it exactly where you need it to go. We can use epoxy glue or liquid nails to glue the metal to the wood. Position the box exactly where it needs to go, then you can screw it in. Once this box is in, it's very secure, unlike these little plastic boxes that flex.